Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP, and you'll be learning some of the basic Filipino words used when taking a jeepney. It is important to know these expressions to make your next jeepney ride a little more pleasant. Let's start with bayad. This could mean fare. Bayad, 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 bayad. Bayad po, which could also translate to here's my fare. Kuya, bayad po. Bayad nila. This means their fare or some passenger's fare. You can say this when giving another passenger's payment to the driver. Bayad nila. Bayad nila. Bayad nila. Bayad nila. Bayad po nila. Bayad po nila, kuya. Pakiabot, which means please hand it over, is used when trying to hand over your fare or someone's fare to another passenger. Pa-ki-a-bot. Pakiabot. 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 Pakiabot po. Pakiabot po, kuya. Pakiabot po, ate. Next, salamat. This is thank you in English. It will be nice to say this after asking a passenger to hand over your fare to the driver. Salamat. 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 Salamat po. Salamat po, ate. Salamat po, kuya. The last but not the least is para. This is something you say to ask the jeepney driver to stop so you can get off at your stop. Para. 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 Para po. Para po, kuya. These are just the most common Filipino expressions used when taking a jeepney. Now, let's go over all the words we learned today. Bayad. Bayad nila. Pakiabot. Salamat. Para. I hope you find these common Filipino expressions helpful the next time you take a jeep. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.